Hello there. I would like to thank you for enrolling for this course. The course is Ultimate WhatsApp Marketing Hacks. In this course, we are going to be learning the nitty-gritty of leveraging on WhatsApp to market our brands, product or services. Okay? Without much ado, let me take you through the course outline. By the way, my name is Kayode and you are onto DigiSmart Concept. I am the CEO and founder of DigiSmart Concept. So without much ado, let's get into the course. Now, in the course, we are going to be learning about 8 things on WhatsApp marketing. Now, the first one is we're going to learn what is WhatsApp marketing. What is WhatsApp marketing? Then, the second thing we are going to learn is the amazing fact about WhatsApp. Now, why are we choosing WhatsApp as a platform through which you can market your brands, your product, or services? By the time you are done with the amazing fact, you will know why we are doing this with WhatsApp messaging app. Now, number 3, we are going to learn how to optimize our WhatsApp for sales. You are going to be learning how you can optimize organically your WhatsApp for sales. Then number 4, there is another particular parallel app that we call WhatsApp Business. Now, this one is specifically designed to run business, so we are going to be learning about it. Then number 5, we are going to be learning about WhatsApp automation. Here we are going to be learning about softwares that we can use to run our marketing and put it on autopilot. Then number 6, we are going to be learning WhatsApp monetization, how you can make money off your WhatsApp application. Okay, and lastly, we are going to be learning WhatsApp hacks. We are going to be learning secrets, tips, strategies through which you can make your WhatsApp a money spinning machine for you. So these are all that we are going to cover in this course. Now let's go on straight to the introduction part. What is WhatsApp marketing? Now let's talk about WhatsApp as an application. WhatsApp is a freeware, cross-platform and voice over IP service owned by Facebook. Okay, WhatsApp is actually a messaging application. And it is owned by Facebook. Facebook is the largest social media platform that we have. Now, let's look at the uses. Now, WhatsApp allows users to send text messages, voice messages. It also allows them to make voice and video calls. You can also share images, documents, and even user locations, and lots more on WhatsApp. So this is a very interesting and powerful social media messaging apps. Okay, now let's look at the concept of marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is the process of exploring, creating, and delivering value. Value is very important in this context. It's the process of exploring, creating, and delivering value to meet the needs of your target market or audience or customers in terms of goods and services. So that is what marketing is. Marketing is creating value for your target audience. Simply put, creating value for your target audience. So what is important are 2 keywords there: value, creating values, and target audience. Because if you create values and you are selling it to the wrong audience, you will still not make sales. And if you are not creating value, yet you are sending whatever it is you are creating to the target audience, you will still not make sales. So for sales to occur, for marketing to take place, there must be a creation of value and there must be a target audience. All right. Now, when we now put the 2 words together, we are going to have WhatsApp marketing, and this is just a type of messenger marketing which entails promoting a brand, either product or service, through WhatsApp. So the essence of WhatsApp marketing is to promote a brand, and in promoting a brand, of course, the ultimate goal will be to make sales. What are those benefits that you stand to gain with WhatsApp marketing? What are those benefits? Now, WhatsApp marketing has a lot of benefits, and here are just a few of them. One, it helps brands reach an enormous audience. With your WhatsApp, you can reach a very wide audience, especially when you have built your contact list in such a way that it is reaching hundreds of thousands. Then you can actually have a very big audience at your disposal. Okay, now another benefit of WhatsApp marketing is that it helps brand build relationships with customers. Now, since WhatsApp is known for messaging in the first place, so when people come into your WhatsApp, then you can establish relationship with them. You can establish one-on-one relationship with them. Then another benefit of WhatsApp marketing is that it helps to boost sales. I have said it before, the ultimate goal of WhatsApp marketing is to make sales. So with your WhatsApp marketing, you can actually make sales. In fact, a lot of businesses and brands use WhatsApp as their funnel, and it is in there they close sales. It is in there that they close sales. So that is one of the benefits of WhatsApp marketing. Now, the next benefit is that it helps convert more leads into paying customers. Now, leads are prospective buyers. Okay, so you can draw them, you can magnetize them into your WhatsApp, and then right and there prime and close them, and then you'll be able to convert them into paying customers. It is possible that while you drive traffic into your WhatsApp, some may buy immediately and some it may take time for them to buy. But when you keep nurturing them and keep giving them, keep creating values, keep giving them value, it's just a matter of time before you will convert such cold leads into paying customers. So that is another benefit of WhatsApp marketing. And the last one is that it provides 24/7 client support. Yes, because once you establish a relationship with them, you get to exchange numbers, and then you'll be able to establish conversation. You'll be able to chat from time to time. In fact, some even establish a mentoring program with their customers or audience in the process. So this way you can reach out to your customer anytime, and then the customer can also reach back to you anytime. So these are benefits that you stand to gain when you dive into WhatsApp marketing. All right.